In this video, I'm going to talk about something called the Murphy's Laws. I tried to look it up because I've been talking about it for a while. All I know is for now is it's just the bad things that happen that you don't plan for. So that's what I knew it on an elementary basis. But digging it further, it's called Murphy's Law. But then in some other places, they call it Swords Law. So what does Murphy's Law say? Things will go wrong in any given situation if you give them a chance. So the shortened version of it is whatever can go wrong will go wrong. And most of us know there's positive motivation and all that, but this looks like the negative side of it. And Murphy was one of those guys, I think, who was on the other side of it. But I think he was actually an optimist instead. But I found a couple of like extracts from it that were very hilarious, and I thought I'd actually share with them with you guys. Look at this. So here's a good list of Murphy's Law extracts. Number 1, in any field of endeavor, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Okay, that's deep negative. Number 2, left to themselves, things always go from bad to worse. Okay, there's debate on that, but there's some truth to it as well. Number 3, if there's a possibility of several things going wrong, the one that will go wrong is the one that will cause the most damage. Now that is negative, really negative. Number 4, nature always sides with the hidden flaw. I think I'm lost on that one. I think I'll get it another day. That could be you as well. So number 5 is the last one, which is like a derogation of it, is if everything seems to be going well, you have obviously overlooked something. Damn. Anyway, the way I look at Murphy's Laws, so when you're talking about Murphy's Laws, we're looking at it as usually you have residual bills, and then Murphy's Law was one of the residual bills, like there is stuff that will always actually happen. So I look at this situation of COVID and stuff as one of those things that you don't plan to actually have. It happens, and guess what? You just have to deal with it. I look at another one that I've seen for myself, which would be like Murphy's Law, is you wake up in the morning, everything is on point, you go to your car, and guess what? You have a flat tire. That is what? Murphy's Law. So anyway, if you've been in a situation that actually has called on for you to call it as Murphy's Law, now you have a name for it, and you need to put some money aside to take care of Murphy's Law. Things happen, people die, and then you have to find ways of contributing. So many things actually can happen. So for those of you like this, comment and put which moment in your life has happened like a Murphy's Law that has been like hilarious, and we share it. Let's have fun. Thanks for listening, and if you like the content, subscribe. If it's YouTube, put the bell icon on so you can get notified, and let's have fun. Thanks for listening, and have a good day. Murphy's Law.